My name is Colonel Dayananda. I'm a medical professional. For last about 31 years, I served in the armed forces, and also I'm a qualified hospital administrator. I did my hospital administration in All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Then I was a professor of hospital administration in AFMC Pune for about 5.5 years. And later on, after I left army, I've been director of various hospitals. I was initially with the Sagar Hospital here in Bangalore as a director. Then after that, I was a medical superintendent and chief operating officer for Manipal Group of all the teaching hospitals in India. Later, I moved on to JSS Hospital in Mysore. Presently, I am the medical director of KLES Hospital in Belgaum. It's a multi-specialty hospital, tertiary care, as well as transplant surgeries, heart transplant, liver transplant, kidney, and all those things we do. So since hospital administration is my passion, I am again coming to learn and relearn what's happening in the field.
That's really great knowing you, sir. So, in the medical field, like emerging field, why do you feel it is important for medical professionals to have continuous learning? Most of the people may not get it like MD or MS all the time. Like, what do you feel? Is it important for healthcare professionals to have a continuous learning?
Certainly, it is not the old times now. The medical care is delivered by the whole healthcare team, not only the clinicians. So each one of us, the things are changing very fast pace. So to catch up with that, this kind of learning or continuous learning is very essential. Otherwise, you're left behind, and you'll not be able to make your mark if you're not catching up with the things, especially with various the information technology seeping in, artificial intelligence, and all. Unless you are a step ahead of others, you'll not be able to do a good job to the patients as well as for yourself.
Thank you for sharing that with us, sir. Like, what makes you feel motivated to be a speaker in healthcare platforms?
I have been in the armed forces, and we do a lot of leadership this thing in the armed forces. That besides the point, I have a passion to teach because I have almost 45 years in the profession. So it is very essential that the younger generation should see and get the collective experience of ours, not only through the books, through the real experience, physical experience that we have undergone. That's what is my idea to come and speak in these forums.
That's really great, sir. And Assimilate, we are usually having 60 plus case discussions, live case discussions every month. So, from your perspective, like, is it important for medical professionals to learn from case-based learning?
Case-based learning is also part of the National Medical Council idea now. The National Medical Council has ensured that you have to do much more case-based learning than just didactics. So it's very essential, and they do have integrated learning also. Like suppose a topic like diabetes is discussed, we have right from the anatomy, physiology, pathology, the diabetologist, endocrinologist, everyone will be there, so that integrated learning also takes place. So case-based learning is a real-life learning. So the information gets consolidated much better than didactic learning.
So, in coming to case-based learning, what kind of cases you specifically want like medical professionals to know? Like, what kind of things they need to deep delve into the current topics?
We, especially when we go in for the MD programs, what we do is that first we initially focus on the